What's up guys, back again with another quick video. Today we're going to be installing these clear side markers on the MK8 GTI. I already went ahead and aired up the front, that way we could have access into here, because we do have to take out the T25s in there to see the back of that. So I will say something, I have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't seen a video online on how to remove this. I'm going to use common sense, and according to how this one is, this has like 3M around it, so I'm guessing you kind of just pop it into place and that's just how it sits. We're going to take out these T25s right here. There is one that sits directly above the fender. You can see it right there. Alright, we got some play in here now, so let's figure out how to remove this. Alright, we're going to play this off smarter. We're going to use a heat gun. We heat up the adhesive from the OEM side marker reflector. We're going to take the wheel off so we can get better access to there. So the goal is to try to not fuck up your fender. So we're going to go ahead and jack it up, take the wheel off so we can have better access. You know, seeing this gives me a headache because this was supposed to be a quick, smooth install, but you know, nothing ever goes that way. So here we are. 20 minutes in, haven't even gotten the thing loose at all yet. All right, we're gonna loosen a few more of these T25s so we can have a little more play here. So I figured something that really helps out. So spraying Goo Gone right up, you know, get it lifted up a little bit and get the Goo Gone up in there. Just from me doing a little bit of Goo Gone, look how much play I have now. Alright guys, so what I was doing, I was using the heat gun while I was prying it, and I started pushing on this side too. Orange piece ended up popping out, so now it should be good to do the rest by hand. Just might have to heat it up just so I don't have to put that much force on. Update, I was just applying Goo Gone as I was pulling. I was applying Goo Gone directly onto the adhesive. It definitely softened it up. Now just try to get it all off without having to pick at it. We got the adhesive off, so now we're just gonna go ahead and wipe off the surface clean. Test fit. Boom. That's gonna look beautiful. And that's still with the wraparound. Alright. Let's get this thing on. What we're gonna do, we're gonna peel this off. Dig your nail into the corner. Boom. Cool. Alright, so this is the, oh, okay, here we go already. This is the part we don't want to mess up. Like, you don't want to get this stuck on the wrong spot before you get it where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you guys while I put it in. Okay, we got it in place. Now we're just gonna push on all corners. Make sure it's in as much as it can go in. Looks pretty damn flush. That's fire. Goo Gone. Gotta wipe it down, but got it out. Time to put the new one in. Same thing as the other side. You're gonna go ahead and peel a corner. Again, we're gonna try to put this in carefully as possible without messing up the paint, also without getting the adhesive all. Yeah. Okay. After some messing around with it, the clear is in place, it's flush, it looks amazing. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the T25s all back in place. Thank fuck this nightmare's over. Looks really good though. And it does sit flush. Here's a better look at them. Fire. Car looks amazing. It's actually a little sad. Fire. Hey guys, make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe if you want to see more videos on my MK8 GTI. I'll be doing videos on every new part that I get from now on.